Dear students, are you looking to study in Sweden and that too for free? Yes, we have a scholarship from the Uppsala University, and this is a fully funded full tuition fee scholarship. And this scholarship is for masters, and all subjects are there, and any international student can apply. And we will show you the detailed process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel our full scholarships, and do follow us on Instagram page as well. So if you're watching this video right now on YouTube, do subscribe, and if you're watching on the Facebook page, do follow. The link for this Sweden Uppsala University scholarship is given in the YouTube video description. Check out the link there and click on the apply link, and you will be redirected to our website here, or you can directly visit fullscholarships.net or cashmelook.com, and you can also scan the QR code on the posts on Instagram, and if you scan the QR code, it will take you to the same scholarship that you are scanning the code for. Meanwhile, you can scan the QR code on the thumbnail of the YouTube videos, and it will take you to the same scholarship page. Once you reach here, you can read the details by yourself. So this is a golden opportunity for you, and this is a Sweden Global Scholarships, and it's open for the international student for the 2023 session, and any international student can apply. So how you do that, we will show you that process as well, and we will show you the application process. And you can check that the deadline of the scholarship is 1st of the February. So from 17th January, yesterday, it started for the scholarship, and before that it was open for the admissions. And whoever has applied to the Sweden scholarships, Sweden admission in any of the universities in Sweden, so they can apply for this scholarship respectively on the same university websites. Like I have applied for the Sweden through universityadmissions.sc to Uppsala University, and we will now apply for its scholarship. So subjects that are accessible, you can check the different subjects are there, and the benefits are entirely, they will provide you the full tuition fee, and you don't have to pay it. And then it's granted to the international citizens, and international students who have applied can apply for this scholarship if you have applied for the admissions before this scholarship period. Now you can check the eligibility criteria. You must not be from any of the European nations or the Switzerland, and then you must hold and show the potential or the enthusiasm in the English background or the academics. And then you can apply for a master's course program only, and then you can be mentioned or considered under this scholarship. So application process is simple. So if you have applied through university.admissions.sc already, and you might be knowing the process for the admission, and after those whosoever has applied through the universityadmissions.sc for the admission process in the Uppsala University or any Swedish institute, they need to know that the scholarship is open from the 16th 17th January to 1st of the February here. So you must complete the application form, and for that, so click on this apply here button to complete the scholarship form. So click on this here, and once you do that, you can check the Uppsala University scholarship for prospective students page is there, and there are a number of scholarships available each year for fee paying international students who are applying for the international bachelor's or master's program at Uppsala University. So you can check all details here, and each and every session is completed there. And application period, as you see, 17th of January to 1st of February 2023. So it's almost each year the same deadline, and the deadline will complete on the 1st of the February. So how to apply? So you can go to universityadmissions.sc and have your student number first, and then you can keep scrolling down. So at the end, you can see application form for the master's level scholarship 2023 and application form for the bachelor's level 2023. So if you have applied for masters, you can go with this form. If you applied for the bachelor's, you can go with this form. So let me open the scholarship form masters, as I have applied for the master's program. So let me open that. After clicking on that, you can check the Uppsala University application scholarship masters 2023 version, and this is available from the dates mentioned here, so you can check. So first you have to enter your email address, then your personal details. So student number, this is a 8-digit number. How will you get this student number? So for that, you have to go to the universityadmissions.sc website here, where we applied earlier. So here is the universityadmissions.sc website, and for that you need to click on this login button here. So let me click on the login here first, and then there will be a username and password that I already generated. So click on the login. So here you can check, this is the unified 8-digit application number. So this is the student number, and this is for all the sessions, all the universities, whichever university you have applied. Suppose I had applied to Uppsala University, and then I have applied to Chalmers University, and then I had applied to previously to other sessions and other universities here. So you can check the application number is there. So for example, for Uppsala University, this is my application number, so I'll be copying that, and then I will come back here and provide you the application number here on the screen in the step 2. Then enter your first name, last name, and then your gender and which country are you from. So select the country that you have applied and already mentioned on the application form as well. So I have selected my country. Then if your country of citizenship is not listed above, so then you should mention. If your country is not showing in the list, then you should enter here. So, but my country is showing already, so I need not to submit. Then upload the enter the passport number, and then name of the university that issued your previous degree bachelor. Suppose I will enter my institution name, and then indicate your GPA, so your grade points. So I had in out of 4 scale, so I will mention that as well here. So if you have answered the previous question, please indicate the maximum GPA. So in my case, maximum is this, and then program applied for. So select the program that you have applied for. Suppose I had applied for the master's program in accounting and financial management, so I will select that master's program in accounting and financial management. So you have to select that, and it should be here. So accounting and financial management, so M2. So and check the course code first, and you should keep the course code. So you can check it's 2120. So select the same course code here, and so here you can check 2120. So I had selected that, and then so this is for the scholarships, and now select that I wish to receive the Uppsala University Global Scholarship. Tick that, and then you can also apply for this scholarship here, and you can also apply for this scholarship. So you can check we have applied for 3 scholarships: Uppsala University Global Scholarships, King Carl Scholarship, then the Andreas Wall Scholarship. So you can check 3 scholarships are in the same form. So now this is the important point. So write a motivational statement not less than 350 words. So how you will get this motivation statement? So you can order from here. Let me show you the website. So you can order from here on our website. So when you click on the order, if you are from the global, if you are not from the India, you can use the global PayPal service or the Stripe option. And here you can check, you have to enter the email, full name, your country name. Then here you can check the required document is motivational statement, and you can check the motivation letter is there, and it should be more than 350 words mentioned here. And the same is the we have 1000 words. So if you mention in the details that I need only 350 words or 500 words, we will provide you that as well. And after submitting this statement of motivation letter, you can go down, and then what are your plans? So you can check these are the future plans. What are your plans after completing the master? So here you can check we have mentioned the future plans as well. So here you can check, you can tick this and complete the order, and then go back and submit, then complete the payment, and you will receive these documents. So you have to complete the future plans as well. And so I will return to my home country and mention this, and then you can check I have applied, almost submitted all the data and all information here. And now I will scroll down and simply click on this submit button. So it's showing please wait, and it in few seconds it should be submitted, and our application will be successful there. So you can check. Thank you for your scholarship application. If you have any of the questions, you can contact us here, and our application is successfully submitted, and you will also receive an email confirmation about this. So I hope you have cleared your doubts, and there will be nothing remaining left for this scholarship form in the Sweden Uppsala University. And here is the student universityadmissions.se page, and all details are already there, and you can go to the message tab and go confirmations there, and all information is on that portal. So if you liked our session and dedication in showing you this, please do subscribe and encourage us to bring you more opportunities on your dashboard. and this was the opportunity from the Uppsala University Global Scholarship in Sweden. And you can order from our website here. So whichever document you need, motivation letter, statement of purpose, letter of intent, cover letter, professor's email, application fee waiver, recommendation letter, future plans, English proficiency certificate, or personal essays. If you need Turkey application fillings, you can also get that. If you need research proposal, you can get that. If you need revision to any document, you can get that. And then you can complete order and submit it here, and our team will deliver your order as soon as possible. And you can also scan the QR code on the thumbnails or the Instagram posts, and it will take you to the same scholarship that you are looking for. Or you can check out the link in the Instagram bio or the YouTube bio and click on the apply link and do apply for this scholarship. Hope you enjoyed this session. Do subscribe, please like this video and share this video with your friends, and keep watching our videos. Have a nice day ahead.